Hi, and welcome back to this week's Just the Tip. One thing I wanted to mention, we are changing seasons here. I'm in Minnesota, not sure where you all are, but we're getting into fall. And as we're getting into fall, temperatures are dropping. We're realizing we have to switch out those wardrobes. So whether it's your wardrobe or your kid's wardrobe, or maybe even significant other, spouse, now is the time. Now is the time to go ahead and take all of those summer clothes out. Make sure that if there's anything in there that you didn't wear, this is a great time to donate that, get rid of it. And then the things that you did wear, go ahead and tote them up, put them in your storage location, and pull out those winter clothes. Cardigans, sweaters, bigger shoes, boots, and get all that stuff ready, looking good, so that when you are getting ready for the day, you can just pull your outfit and head on out the door with great ease. And also, when you end up washing your clothes and putting them away, you now have space for them. That's also very critical. So my tip this week is to get after those wardrobe switch outs if that's something that you do. And it's the best time to do it. So that is your goal for the week. I'll see you next time.